Scottsdale Tower, Beach Chat 390, Sierra Bravo, and I have GPS Delta, circle 21.
Beach Chat 390, Sierra Bravo, cast the tower, put the mid approach point or the field in sight.
Sierra Bravo has the airport in sight.
Beach Chat 0, Sierra Bravo, make right close traffic, runway 21, and continue traffic, hold the position, Gulfstream.
Right close for 21, this Sierra Bravo.
November 1 Tango Delta, runway 21, quick takeoff. Beach Chat 0, Sierra Bravo, cosmic turbulence departing Gulfstream, runway 21, quick land.
21 foot land, this Sierra Bravo.
Spain on 308 Golf Victor, Scott Tower, waiting IFR release number 2. November 1 Tango Delta, and that right turn, contact Phoenix Park, safe flight, and Happy New Year.
Okay, thanks, Gulfstream. Happy New Year to you, then, Delta.
Gonna make Golf 6 in your right turn, contact Phoenix Park, today.
Departure, 08 Gulfstream.
It's up tower, 816, about 5.5 to the east, back for full stop appeal.
Your station is Tesla Tower, enter left down, midfield runway 21.
Left mid, full down, point 3, 21 8.
Because this is Bravo, stay parking.
Rock.
This is Bravo, try Alpha 5, taxi straight in, and how far out and what altitude did you break out at?
Airport at 7 miles.
Great, thanks a lot. 2624, runway 21, clear for takeoff. Aviator 16, runway 21, clear to land.
21, clear to land, Aviator 16.
Telling 624, your heading is 290, contact Phoenix Park today.
Alright, 290 on the heading for Jetlink 624, have a good day.
When you Juliet Oscar Golf, which way are you heading today?
Charlie Golf, Juliet Golf, we're heading northwest bound.
Juliet Oscar Golf, roger, right turn to bridge.
Takeoff Challenger, 611 out 6, Juliet Golf, ready, runway 21.
Turn 61 out 6, Cessna, thanks, hold short runway 21.
Hold short runway 21, and 1 out 6.
Charlie Golf, Juliet Oscar Golf, frequency change to Phoenix 120.7, have a good day.
Charlie Golf, Juliet Oscar Golf, thanks, 122.
Galaxy 86, your travel out Cessna, roger, runway 21, clear takeoff. Cessna 46349 Cessna, car 6 from the Swearingen Galaxy, make right close traffic, runway 21, clear for takeoff. Galaxy 0 Charlie Bravo, on your right turn, contact Phoenix Park, have a good day.
Good day, Charlie Bravo.
Gulfstream 260 Duck Window, Cessna, high speed taxi approved, runway 21, proceed with question.
Tower Merlin 2270 Tango on Delta.
Runway 227 Tango South Tower, Port the airport in sight, wind calm, up number 2977.
77 will advise just exit.
So Delta Lima Roger, did you want to go back to parking or do another one?
Other one.
Delta Lima Roger, runway 21, taxi via Bravo at your discretion. For 27 off the Dr. Cessna, runway 21, clear for takeoff, wind calm.
Tango Airport.
Merlin 7 Tango, maneuver at your discretion, runway 21, clear land.
For the land, runway 21 will be right downwind, subducing.
For 7 off Foxtrot, your right turn, contact Phoenix Park, have a good day.
7 off Fox, see you now, thanks.
Merlin 7 Tango, right turn your right, taxi to gate 1, monitor ground, and about what altitude did you break out? Thanks, bye.
Twilight 17, turn right, heading 285, runway 21, quick takeoff, traffic is a Cirrus, 3 miles on or 3 mile right base. Cirrus Family Motel, there'll be 1 departure citation.
Looking for traffic, Cirrus Mandalay Motel.
Twilight 17, in that right turn, heading 285, contact Phoenix Departure, and have a Happy New Year.
Twilight 17, Happy New Year to you.
Galaxy 5 Whiskey Alpha, number 2, following a Cessna on a close-in half-mile right base.
Number 2, we'll look at 05 Whiskey Alpha.
Aviator 16, if able, keep your base in close, wind calm.
Alright, we'll keep it in a little close, Aviator 16.
Trustee 5 with Delta coverage on the quarter-mile final. Runway 21, did you want a full stop taxi?
Yes, ma'am. Full stop will work with 05 with Calvin.
Trustee 5 with Delta, runway 21, clear land.
Clear land 21, thank you. 05 with Calvin.
Mike Fox at runway 21, clear takeoff. Station Mike Fox, if you could let Phoenix know what the bases are, that would be great. Contact me departure 120.7, good day.
Okay, 20.7, we'll let you know for Mike Fox. Happy New Year.
Gulfstream 6 Single Delta 1 able to parking. 6 Single Delta, roger, right turn, Alpha 4 to gas, not no way to Alpha 3, taxi to Ross, come on the ground.
Okay, past Alpha 4, Alpha 3 right here, and
Sirius 9 Alpha Golf, traffic on the runway, begin to climb, go around, fly straight out, Sirius 9 Alpha Golf.
Going around, Hotel Golf.
Cessna 349, your number 1 to the field, runway 21, clear to land.
Runway 21, clear to land, 349.
And my IFR is shows been advised from approach to be a couple minutes for our releases.
Sirius Flight 144 South Tower, roger, hold short runway 21, just waiting for release from Phoenix. Sirius 9 Hotel Golf, yeah, estimate the bases out there for me.
And Hotel Golf, I'd say they're right around 4,000, maybe slightly above.
Great, thanks a lot. Frequency change, your discussion, see you in a little bit.
Thank you.
209 Mike Fox, 4332, continue holding short. So 349, left turn for left close traffic approved. Turning left for left close traffic, 349. Turn flight 144, runway 21, cleared for takeoff. So 349 report, departing Citation in sight. We got them in sight, 349. So 349, make a big separation Citation, caution await turbulence, runway 21, clear touch and go, and then make a left close traffic. 21, clear touch and go, left close traffic, 349. Turn flight 144, and your right turn, contact me spot. Good day.
hi, Officer Departure. Have a Happy New Year, Merlin, Flight 144.
Good, you too.
Tower West Coast 73, RNAV, just past Cactus.
Let's go 73 Scottsdale. Good morning, when able to report the airport in sight.
We'll go West Coast 73. Any updates for 88 Tango Romeo?
3 Tango Romeo, negative. It looks like the departure officer really just rotated, tagged up, so hopefully another minute.
Roger, 3 Tango Romeo. On West Coast 73, we have field footing.
West Coast 73, roger, you can circle north for a right base to runway 21, clear to land.
Circle north, right base 2 on West Coast 73.
1 Bravo Fox, number you're heading, turn right heading 290, runway 21, clear for takeoff.
Scottsdale Tower, King Air 800, Hotel Romeo's with you, just off the Phoenix landing, Scottsdale.
King Air 800, Hotel Romeo, Scottsdale Tower. Good morning, enter left down runway 21.
Left down 121, Hotel Romeo.
For 1 Bravo Fox, once again, right turn heading 290, contact departure, you have a good one.
Right turn 290, Bravo Fox, good day.
Scottsdale Tower 7020 Juliet on the RNAV Delta approach circle runway 21.
Regional 7020 Juliet, Scottsdale. Good morning, when able, report the airport in sight.
Alright, when able, we'll advise for